Good morning. My name is Manikant. I am from Aeronautical A. Now I am going to say about a single pole alternator. Before having an idea of single pole alternator, let us go through what is an alternator. An alternator is a device which converts a mechanical energy to electrical energy in the form of alternating current. Since it produces alternating current by the device, due to this alternating current, it is named as an alternator. This is a diagrammatical representation of alternator. It's a experiment of alternator. A single loop alternator loop is kept in between a magnetic field of permanent magnet, and it has given a mechanical energy to revolve, and this mechanical energy is converted to an electrical energy which is generated to an alternating current. This alternating current is used to glow the bulb which runs in an alternating current. So what is an alternator? Is an alternator is simply a electrical generator that converts mechanical energy to an electrical energy in the form of alternating current. Okay, now coming to our topic, salient pole alternator. The type of alternators are used as a medium and low speed alternator. It consists of number of projecting poles. With these core bolted onto a heavy magnetic wheel, the magnetic wheel is of a cast iron or a steel of good magnetic quality. These generators look like a big wheel but are mainly used for low speed turbines such as hydel power plant, but they are categorized by the large diameter, short axial lengths. So the salient pole alternator is a alternator which has poles bolted to its armature, such that the poles are fixed and the poles are having a field winding around it, so to act as a magnetic north pole and a south pole. These salient pole alternators are used for uh, providing an hydel power plant, I mean to generate an electricity from a hydel power plant, because they are tend to for a low speed or a medium speed alternators, so they doesn't produce and I mean they doesn't go for an high speed alternator, so they are up to a mark of a medium and a low speed alternator. And look at this, the poles, these are the poles, uh, and this is a field winding for each pole. So this is a field winding for each pole. This is the head of the pole, I mean the pole head, and this is connected to a metallic sheet, I mean it's an iron sheet or an iron steel sheet. So this, I mean this is a body, I mean the outermost body, that is yoke of the alternator. So this is a setup of salient pole alternator in a simple words. So they are mainly used for low speed only. Construction of salient pole alternator. The salient pole type construction of rotor is shown below. Is used in low and maximum speed, that is 125 to 500 rpm electrical machines. So the image is shown in previous slide. This is the image, the salient pole rotor. So this rotor is provided with an rpm of 125 to 500 rpm to produce an electrical current, or on passing an electrical current to this type of motor, the salient pole motor. This provides a rpm of 125 to 500 rpm. The poles are made up of steel laminated and riveted together and fixed to the rotor by a dovetail joint. See, look at these poles. They are connected in a dovetail joint position, and the field winding is here, and it is connected towards a uh, the yoke. This setup is mainly used in synchronous missions. The damper winding is provided on slots and provided on pole faces. The damper bars are short-circuited at both ends by copper rings. The dampers are used in preventing hunting and to provide a starting torque in synchronous motors. So these dampers are used for providing starting torque for the motors to run, and the rotor windings are placed on the pole pieces supported by pole shoes. The end of windings are taken out through a slip rings for electrical connections. Coming to the structure, the structure of the salient pole type. The salient pole type structure is all follows as well. They have larger diameter and short axial length. So the diameter is larger in the sense it is having a huge radius of the motor radius is huge compared to the length of the motor. So the length of the setup is smaller than its radius. The pole shoes cover about two and a half of its pole pitch. So the pole shoes are approximately two parts of the total pole pitch. The pole, in the sense it is having the large pole shoes. The poles are laminated to reduce eddy current losses. The poles are laminated to reduce eddy current losses. So these poles are used to reduce eddy currents. Since they are laminated. The laminated meaning is that the sheets, the different sheets are connected together and they are laminated. So this reduces the eddy current losses. So they are employed within hydraulic turbines or diesel engines. Mainly these type of motors, the salient pole type structures are used in hydraulic turbines to generate electricity as a turbine, or in diesel engines such as in cars. So new electrical cars are coming for a short distance. This can be used for regenerating the electricity by a front wheel in a electrical car. So in diesel engines, the setup is kept, and due to the motion of the car, it gets recharging the battery, and this recharging battery helps to run headlights, indicators, horn, and so on. So on. Thank you. Thank you so much.